All right, so let's look at the bones of the forearm. So the first off is the ulna, and an easy way to first recognize the ulna is it has this U in it right here. Now let's move to the other side of the ulna. We see this little pointy part of it. That is known as the styloid process of the ulna. If we come back to here, here's where most of the structures that we're going to want you to know. So we have a couple of processes sticking off. This one right here, that is the olecranon process. That goes into the olecranon fossa on the humerus. And over here is the coronoid process, and that goes into the coronoid fossa on the humerus. And then this cup-like structure that we're seeing there, that U right there, that is known as a trochlear notch. And that fits onto the trochlea of the humerus. If I turn around to the other side, we're seeing a little indentation right there. So that indentation right there is the place, so that's called the radial notch, and that's where the head of the radius is on there. So when you're looking at an ulna and trying to distinguish left from right, that radial notch always tells you what side it's on. That since that radial notch is on the right side of this, then this is a right ulna. And if I look at this one here, that radial notch is on the left side, so this is a left ulna. Let's look at the parts of the radius. So here is the radius. So starting off, I'll start off the radius the same way. We have a styloid process here. This thing right here, that is the head of the radius, that moves against the capitulum on the humerus. And if I turn it this way, you can see another structure right there. That is the radial tuberosity.